Staff, this is your new HC, Jamie. Please listen carefully. I will state their floor and they will state their names. 1 east.
Jay.
4 center.
Kai.
3 west.
Anthony.
2 east. Megan. Dungeon.
Mason.
4 east. Alan. 2 center.
Kayla.
3 east.
Sammy.
1 west.
Kristen.
4 west.
Amanda.
3 center.
Lauren.
2 west.
Hi, Patty.
That's Shelby. Here's your Bennett staff uniform. And please take this and learn how to use it. It will help you to call the staff.
Why do I need this?
The grounds of Bennett are very expansive and very confusing, and you live in Brumley. Also, when I need you called, they will send up a bat signal, and that way you can see it and you can come right on over.
Well, I don't think I need this or the back signal. I can just use your name.